This is an assisted lateral lunge. Now, the lateral lunge setup, you're going to start in a double wide stance. We're going to be shifting back into our hips at about a 45-degree angle. So in this case, I'm going to shift into my right leg. My left leg is going to stay straight as I shift back. So this left leg straight, hip, knee, and foot are in line. I'm heavy on this right foot. To come up, keeping my torso over, I'm going to push through the ground to come up. Now I'm letting the legs and the lower body do all of the work as opposed to just extending through my back. So I patient, pause, hover over that leg for as long as possible, push the ground away to come back up. From the side, shifting back into the hip, push through the ground. Notice that I've got a nice neutral spine position, push through the ground here. Now, naturally, when we push through the ground, push through the whole foot. In particular, you'll reference that kind of medial arch a little bit more as you push away to come through. Now, we're going to be holding on to something. That could be a TRX, something like a wall, or honestly anything to give you some support here. I like the TRX. Nice wide stance. Load back into that hip. Little pause, push through the ground to come up. Now I'm only using the straps as much as I need to here. Now from the side again, when I load into that hip, notice that my knee is kind of lined up with mid-laces. My knee's not going excessively over my toes because the initial movement is me sitting back into my hip. So think knees kind of between ankle and mid-laces is the point we want to be aiming for as we shift back into our hips.